What is up, guys? I hope you're all having an amazing day and welcome back to another video where today's a pretty exciting one. We are getting some more work done to the Falcon right here to make it nice and reliable and safe to drive at 620 horsepower. So I don't know if you guys know, but we've actually had a set of Brembos sitting here for such a long time now. And in the back right here, we have a full set of 355mm discs. I'm pretty sure we have, I'm not quite sure exactly what pads they are, but I am going to change them out eventually. And I also have some 4-pot F6 Brembos up front. Not only that, but I have some golf competition brake fluid. I got some Purge for Gene because that's all he drinks. And also I have a full set of braided brake lines. So, I'm going to be installing all of that today on the Falcon. And yeah, but first of all, there's supposed to be one of the most dangerous storms hitting this afternoon, but you wouldn't guess it, would you? Because it's beautiful and hot and sunny, and there's a few little clouds off in the distance, but apparently it's going to get really bad. So, I'm going to do a quick little car shuffle, and then we'll head straight to Gene's, hey?
I'll tell you when. Keep going.
Right here, guys, so we're here in the land of Gene roads. It's a really weird mark on my car. It's like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like where the curve is of the car. I don't know, I wouldn't have a clue. Anyway, got some rotors sitting pretty down here as well, and I've just gotten all the calipers out of here. So we're going to jack it up. Apparently it shouldn't take too long, probably a 2-hour process. Oh, I hear Gene's car. God, it sounds so good. Sounds so good. This is a pretty common modification for a lot of people that have XR6s, XR6 turbos. Well, XR6 turbos never got the option to go Brembo, did they?
Yes.
They did?
Yeah, it was a factory option.
Okay, cool. But they came pretty much standard on most F6s.
Yeah, all your PVs.
All the PVs got them.
Yeah.
Cool.
Some of your PVs had 6.4 pot combo.
Oh yes, correct. And they came standard on the R Spec, the 6-pot, 4-pot.
I'm not 100% sure on it.
Yeah.
I'll probably say something and someone will say, no, you're wrong.
That's correct. Yeah, that's it. So let's just say that yes, it was a sort of an uncommon thing to have Brembos on a turbo Falcon, and then
it was a factory option.
Factory option. Yeah. So it's a pretty common modification for people to upgrade them, especially when you start pushing more power. So yeah, this is definitely a worthwhile upgrade. It's going to be a massive big difference. But to do everything, obviously you're going to need the Brembo caliper itself. And a massive thing that not many people get, or not many people remember, is this bracket right there.
They should be, typically are sold with the brackets.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you get the old one where people sell without brackets, and they're pretty much pointless because you can't buy them separately.
Oh, you can't actually buy the brackets separately?
No, there was a company that was making them, but I've never been able to find them.
Yeah. So guys, if you are wanting to get this whole kit, just make sure 100% you get these brackets here as well. Because otherwise, for an FG, otherwise they're going to be really, really extremely difficult to find. Obviously, pads are different, and the rotors go from a 322, which are these ones right here. These 322mm, I just had some VMAX J-hooks, and we're swapping them out today for what it looks like DBAT2?
They could be T2 or T3, at least you can see
there's
the paint marks on them, the heat.
Oh, there you go.
There you get the heat marks.
Cool.
So you'll be T3s.
There you go, DBA T3s, which go to a 355. Yeah, so there you go. So we're getting from a 322 to a 355, from a 2-pot to a 4-pot, and yeah, just make sure when you get these, you get the brackets as well, because otherwise they will be extremely hard to find. And one other thing, I don't know if you guys saw in a couple of previous videos, but these lines right here, yes, you can just use them and put them straight on, that's no worries at all, but it's a worthwhile upgrade to go with these right here. So these are a set of braided lines from Brakes Direct here in Brisbane. I think they have a couple of other workshops around. But yeah, these sent me back 130 bucks for the two fronts. So it's definitely a worthwhile upgrade. And not only that, but we also have them in the back. Had them on my old calipers and everything, and
they're all made to order and pressure tested before sent out.
Yes, that's correct. Because yeah, I made the mistake last time of accidentally getting them out of the bag and then holding them up and getting absolutely covered in water. So that was a bad mistake of mine last time.
BBC yellows?
What? No. Yeah, they were a bit noisy, but actually, yeah, they were pretty noisy. And I will admit, guys, the pink's looking a lot better up the front than it is on the back. Oh, that's so funny. Wow, so strong.
The FGs are so hard to do. Compete the B8s, B-Series. Yeah, B-Series even this.
Oh, really?
So much lighter.
Oh, yeah, you really can see where I forgot the clear, hey? Like, that's real bad. Yeah, okay. I'll fix it. I'll paint them red next week. Yeah? Oh, I don't know. You know, these mods are pretty much nothing compared to some of the other things you can get. If you got the money to spend, you can pick up a set of these things right here. These are 3 80mm Stolz brakes sitting behind a set of work Kawamis. And they are some massive 6-pots. Oh, one day maybe. They're looking tasty. Yum. Alright, I'm gonna give them a quick little test. Ooh, quite pretty. They feel quite nice actually. They're a little bit spongy. I could imagine they'll get there. My pedal feel is a lot different. They come on a lot harder, a lot quicker. Yeah, I quite like it. Cool. Alright, so we're just at Sarah's work right now. What do you think of my pink brakes? Oh, okay, alright, there's a storm. What do you think of my pink brakes? Did you see them? Oh, that's okay, we'll see them at home. I think you'll like them.
The pink ones?
Yeah. I had them on the back, not the front. Oh no, I got mud all up my car. Oh no. Needs a wash.
Leave it outside and go get a wash.
Yeah, big storm coming over, guys, but...
It's not even bad. Okay, here we go. Oh, I like it.
You like it?
Candy pink.
Yeah, it's cool, hey?
I'm a fan.
You're a fan of it?
I think Caleb would approve.
Yeah. I don't know about the back still.
I like it.
Like, the back's kind of iffy with the yellow.
Yeah.
I really like the front, though.
I love the front. Alright, let's put your clothes inside.
Alright, let's do a bit of a car shuffle. And we'll be back.
Oh,
Righto, guys, we got some hail going on already. God damn. There you go. Well, so we got Sarah's car in here sideways. Jeez. The skyline's all protected. We got boxes and stuff like that. That's actually such a good setup. I want to get a photo of this real quick. Oh my god, that was nuts. That's crazy. Look at this. Little tiny hail. Oh, I can't grab it. There you go. She tiny, man.
Don't eat it.
Yeah, go for it. Aw. There you go. Wow! That is...
Got hit somewhere over there for sure. I'm rolling. Stay up.
Jeez.
I don't know if everything. I think the windows. Oh no, there it is.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Might go to the gym.
I think I think we were the most prepared in the street, not gonna lie. That's crazy, hey. So if this isn't a testament to how quickly Gene works on cars, there you go. I told him I didn't want to get stuck in the hail, and he was perfect. I got home about 10 minutes ago. Wow. I can't believe how quickly that came over. It wasn't as close as I thought, but... Oh my god! That's a lot bigger. So it is black as black can be right now. Still hailing over there. There's some massive big fault lightning out here.
I nearly slipped on the tiles when I come back in.
Did ya? Show us? Yeah, that's like the medium sized one that we've had out there, hey? Trying to hit the Festiva?
Missed.
I'm not shitting you guys. This is not color corrected. I'll make sure.
That's what they call them.
That is all. Whoa! I just refilmed that. I just refilmed that. I just refilmed that. How sick! Whoa! Wow! Max, look at this. Oh my god.